Sun going down, windows down. Oh yeah, your hand in mine. Oh, no one around. Yeah, we took the long road by the ocean. No destination in our minds. Your hair was dancing in the warm wind. You were laughing at the signs. The city faded in the distance. The radio played something slow. We didn't need to fill the silence. There was nowhere else to go. You put your feet up on the dashboard. I watched the sunlight touch your face. For one beautiful second, everything was in its place. No yesterday, no tomorrow, no heavyweight, no borrowed sorrow. Just you and me and open skies, a little heaven in your eyes. You make every moment golden, every shadow disappears. When the sunlight falls around you, I forget about my fear. In the golden hour, time is standing still. In the golden hour, I know exactly how I feel. I could stay forever right here where we are. In the golden hour, with you inside my heart. Golden, golden, everything is golden. Oh, golden, golden, when you're close to me. Golden, golden, every road is open. Golden, golden, you're where I wanna be. We stopped beside an empty field where the flowers touched our knees. You pulled me close beneath the colors of the evening through the trees. We talked about the things we wanted, little houses, bigger dreams. You said forever felt less frightening when forever meant you and me. No